Hey, sorry guys. Sorry for late journey. Good morning.
Good morning, Shiva.
Good morning.
Shiva, like at the end, I might need your help because when I tried that Spark context, it doesn't work for me at all.
Spark context.
Sorry, like when we try to load any file, right? So just to check whether it is Spark shell, yes, Spark SQL is working or not.
Uh-huh.
Something is wrong.
Okay.
And do we have to start any services like Start Master or something before giving that?
No need, no need. No need of service. Only thing is, I think you might be having. Are you starting that from Spark SQL or Spark Shell?
Spark shell.
Spark Shell. Okay. Yeah. Then let's see. We'll see that issue. What is the issue?
Okay. Thanks, Shiva.
Okay. Now, yeah, let me discuss a few other points. So we have created data frames, all the different ways. So we created data frame from loading a file, parquet file, ORC file, and JSON file, and even simple tab separated file also we have loaded and applied a structure to that and converted that into data frame. Okay. JSON and TSV file. From all these files, we created our data frames. And on data frame, the very simple and very useful operation, that is show. Just to list down all the things. And if you want to describe the schema, so the way you have your describe command in pig, hive, impala, and hbase, here we have print schema. It prints the schema. It tells what are the columns, ID, which is of integer, whether this is nullable column, false. So that means by default, it took this as an ID column. It should not be nullable. But the other two columns can be nullable. Okay. If you want to override this to make it as true, we can even do that. But let's not worry about that right now. Okay. Next, few other operations and on data frames are like, let's see, show, we have seen print schema. And if you want to select a particular column, all these operations may not be that frequently used, because since we are all familiar with the SQL queries, we convert this data frame into temporary table and we run all our queries on the table. But still, just have an idea that you can even code like this. Okay, so that's the only intent. So if I want to select only the name column, I can select the name column. Either I can run the select operation on the data frame, or on the other hand, so yesterday we registered this as a temp table, right? In SQL context, You can select name from EMP, EF. They both will give the same results, right? So this way we will find it more convenient. So anything that the operations that you see on Dataframe, all of them can be achieved through the your SQL query itself, but still have an idea. Okay, it will not harm you. Some places you don't know where what requirement may come, so try to use that as well. Okay. Next, so selection of columns you can do that way, and if you want to a group by any column, you have a group by operation. Show is not a member of relational group data set. And what can I do with this? Value collect is not a member of relational grouped data set. Let me see what we can. I think some of the things got changed from time to time. Group data by column name. So if you want to filter, so df dot dataframe dot filter. So df of, okay, and employee df. Let's come back to that. What it will take. Df dot filter of. So again here we have to give it as emp of df. Emp df of id greater than or equal to 1, 2, 3. So select only those. Okay. So this one, this is a data set of row. And this will not. Okay. So 123 is skipped and all others are filtered out. The same filter in your SQL query is like a where condition. Where id greater than 1, 2, 3. Okay. In the same group by, if you want to get it, select count of star, common name, group by name. Okay, same. And df.count will always give you the total number of records. It's like a count of star on the table. Okay. The same rdd.count, you have the count on data frame also. They both are same. They just give you the record count. Okay. So group by of name dot count. Okay, on a grouped result, we have to perform that. Okay, so emp underscore df. So you can find this way, the same group by. So there is nothing conceptually new here in this. I'm just showing you an example for this syntaxes, that's it. Okay. So, yeah, if you want to convert any data frame into RDD, just data frame dot RDD is enough. That will get converted into an RDD. And the same way, RDD dot 2df will convert an RDD back to data frame that we have seen yesterday. Okay, now sort by any column. If you want to sort your records, give the sorted by sort name. It will sort them. Okay, and similarly, the way you have print schema, you have also D types, data types. It will also give the same thing, but you will get the data type in terms of SQL data types, Spark SQL data types, ID integer type, string type, and string type. Okay, so you will find more details about these data types in few minutes.